Hello, welcome to ISE 2020. We have a number of different new products at the show, and the most exciting right now is a 8-channel amplifier to match our multi-channel processors. Of course, we've been making multi-channel processors for a number of years, but it's the first time we make a multi-channel amplifier. This amplifier has absolutely new technology. It has a purified Eigentakt Class D amplification with record-breaking performance and efficiency. Distortion is at minus 116 decibels from 20 Hz to 20 kHz, which has never been achieved before in any type of amplifier. And the power supply is a 3.2 kilowatt power supply with power factor compensation. So we can actually draw 3.2 kilowatts out of a normal wall socket. The efficiency of the whole amplifier is so high that we need no cooling, no fans, no heat sinks except for the bottom panel. And there will be no ventilation in the box required. We can even build it into a rack, stack them up without any heat issues. So for the installer, it's going to be a revolutionary product. We've been running it for days and never had any temperature above 35 degrees Celsius. So that means it will also be a very, very reliable product. Our website is lyngdorf.com, Lyngdorf.com. And you're welcome to have more information from there.